If your organization is not currently MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet certified, Carrier Ethernet for Business provides a clear, standards-based entry point into the NAS ecosystem. What was previously known as MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet certification has evolved into a broader, more future-ready certification program applicable to both service providers and technology providers. Today, the program includes 2 complementary certifications. Carrier Ethernet for Business certification is the evolution and rebranding of MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet. Carrier Ethernet for AI certification is new. It is purpose-built to support emerging AI workloads and designed to evolve as new performance tiers get standardized. Carrier Ethernet for Business certification is available to Mplify members with or without prior MEF 3.0 Carrier Ethernet certification. Mplify members in good standing who do not have prior MEF 3.0 CE certification can join the Carrier Ethernet for Business certification program and submit their services or solutions for certification using Lab in the Sky, the fully automated cloud-based test and certification platform by Iometrics, the Mplify accredited test and certification partner for Carrier Ethernet. Pricing is available upon request. When signing up for Carrier Ethernet for Business certification, member companies are entitled to a 6-month testing period within a 1-year window to test and certify their service or solution. Once certified, the services and solutions are included in the Mplify certification registry. Member companies are encouraged to collaborate with Mplify to market and promote their certifications. By the end of each year, members pay an annual maintenance fee to keep their certification active. The maintenance fee includes the added benefit of an optional free retesting period using Lab in the Sky to refresh the certification and receive an updated test record. Learn more or talk with Mplify to begin certification.